Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Pennymac Mortgage. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.pennymac.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Pennymac, which looks like this. Pennymac, our private national mortgage acceptance company, is one of the fastest growing and largest mortgage lender to log into your account. From the main homepage, click on the login button in the upper right hand corner and you'll be able to see this pop up. Click on my account button right under Pennymac and you'll end up in the login area. Typing your username into the first text box. Make sure to type in your information correct. In case you've forgotten your username, click on Forgot Username link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. Once you're done, head over to the next field where it says password and typing your password correct as well. In case you don't remember your password, you can also click on this Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts and reset to a new password. After you're done typing in your credentials correct, if you want the device to remember your credentials, make sure that this Remember Device box is checked, but left unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared computer. If don't have an account yet on Pennymac, you can click on Don't Have an Account Yet. Register here link and follow the instructions. Finally, after you identified in your credential, click the Login button and you're logged into your Pennymac mortgage account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.